happening?
What took you so long?
Well, you know, we had some business to take care of.
Business?
Business.
Whoa!
Where you been?
Where have I been? I was waiting for the on my way text. I didn't get one. But here we are. And we're getting on the road.
He's late. He's late.
Hey, Tulaners, what a difference a couple weeks make. We just showed you the drops of Moab, where we were in red dirt, red cliffs, sandstone, water, snow. It was epic. Where are we headed?
We are headed to Big Sur, California.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So tonight we'll be in Cambria. We'll spend the night there. Maybe try to get our YouTube live. And then we'll head up to Carmel and spend a couple nights there and back home.
A lot of food, a lot of drinks, a lot of fun. We're riding with no helmets. We're trying to break the law. They have the helmets on.
Breaking the law.
You guys ready?
We are
Ready?
ready.
So ready.
We're ready to go up north.
Let's
go!
see.
I got my ears on.
Awesome. So, hey, what a great morning. It's a little overcast, like 59 degrees.
Oh, yeah.
We're about 100 feet above sea level here.
100 feet, that's really high up.
Yeah, we're going to get off at El Capitan State Beach.
What are we going to do here? Are we going to go back for the usual mimosas for the ladies?
I think they wanted to. There's a really cool campground down here that has cabins and canvas tents, almost like, you know, the tents that we stayed in or the covered wagons we stayed in. It's that canvas feel to it, you know?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember. This is really a cool place, and we should actually stay here sometime.
Yep. I think we'll just swing around this guard gate and park over here and walk back up in the place.
Yeah. What, it looks kind of damp in here this morning.
Yeah, it looks like they may have had a little weather.
There's the little campers right there and the buildings.
Cool, cool. Well, let's get in there.
All right. Well, we'll check it out. See you down the road. This is awesome. I mean, we're here. It's a little cool out today. We're
A little overcast.
overcast. We got some great food. I mean, I got a nice BLT.
That looks really good, Lance.
Yeah, so we're here at El Capitan Canyon. We just ordered some food from the Canyon Market. This place is really kind of cool. We stop here a lot when we come this way with the girls, and they really like to have their mimosas.
I'm having a girls' drink today, I guess.
You are drinking with the girls today.
Yeah.
Hey, cheers.
But anyway, you got to come check this place out. They have these cool cabins, and then they have these canvas tents, and they have, you know, modern amenities inside of them. Just a classic place.
So last week we were sleeping in covered wagons.
Yep, and tonight you could be sleeping in a canvas tent, but we won't be.
No,
we're
because
going to
we're
head up
leaving.
to Cambria.
Yeah, we're out of here.
Josh, why don't you come on over and show the people what we're eating? Hey guys, so I got the chicken pesto sandwich, homemade potato chips, but no bread. Looks good. What do you have?
I have the kale and beet salad with citrus dressing.
I got the BLT. I love BLTs. Those are really good BLT, man.
How about you, Laura?
I don't have the BLT. I have Teresa salad minus the walnuts because I'm allergic to them. And Teresa and I are still enjoying our mimosas. Cheers!
How come she has more than you?
I'm really enjoying mine.
What do you have, Josh?
And I have the ahi something salad. And I know it's probably pretty loud on the mic, but you know, ahi poke salad. Oh yeah, it's looking good.
Let's eat. We got a squirrel having a good potato chip.
Hot one.
I like that guy. me my card.
And Laura and I just woke up from a nap.
What?
We have card problems. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
My card is locked in the pump and I'm not digging it. Hey man, we just got off the 101 freeway and we're on the Highway 1, California 1.
Yeah, we just left Slow, which is San Luis Obispo.
Yeah.
And the journey is now really going to take a turn here as we cruise up the coast.
Yes, and it's the clouds left, it's beautiful blue skies. And again, like you say, the views just get better and better.
Yeah, once we get kind of through Morro Bay and up toward Cambria, we'll stay in Cambria tonight, but man, tomorrow's going to be an epic day of filming, I believe.
Yeah, I was talking to Lance. He said Big Sur is very slow, a lot of 35-mile-an-hour tight corners.
Yeah, it is, and the whole way up to Carmel is going to be, once we start getting into Big Sur and the one and Ragged Point, those areas, I mean, it gets pretty gnarly up in there.
Hey, well, we're gonna get some great footage. Gilbert will be up in the air checking stuff out.
Yes, he will.
So it'll be good. I'm looking forward to some nice meals, some nice good times, friends drinking, having a good time.
Well, I am too, and I think before we do that, I think the ladies wanted to stop in Cayucos.
Oh yeah.
And go to the brown butter cookie company.
Oh yeah. I mean, I like to eat clean, but when you're there, you gotta have one of those for sure.
Yeah, I won't have one, but Josh can have mine. I don't know, you know.
I'm kind of bummed out that Hearst Castle's not open. That would be a great thing to go see.
Yeah, I'd love to take people. I mean, we brought the gals up and filmed this once before, and you guys should go take a look at that drop. That was a fun drop, but it's been closed for over a year now. I don't know what's up.
Yeah, a lot of bikes on the road today.
Seen quite a few today, for sure.
More than usual, but maybe they're out on the coast just ripping around, having a good time.
I don't know. It's Thursday. It's not like it's a weekend.
I know.
But the weather's great. I mean, we're sitting at about 68 degrees. We're only about 300 feet above sea level.
Perfect.
But the weather's just beautiful right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, when we get around the point here, we'll start to see that big rock in Morro Bay.
Oh yeah, that's always a great sight.
Pretty cool. So I will see you at the Brown Butter Cookie Company.
All right.
See you down the road.
Let's get some cookies. See you down the road.
Hey, we're gonna come up on this cookie company. It's right here on the right hand side.
Oh, I see the building.
Yo, people are gonna be so happy.
Yeah.
Home of the original brown butter cookie.
Laura's really stoked right now.
I am going to do a little pull out here and do a
Burnout Skippy Pete.
Burnout Willie.
Latte.
What do you have?
A honey oat lavender latte.
Whoa. Did you have a cookie yet?
No.
No, but that's next.
Which one are you going to dive into?
This is the honey.
Oh, she goes right for the honey.
Right for the honey.
Yeah, Laura?
That's what I'm going for.
Oh, you're both going
Teresa
for the
and I
honey?
kind of tend to go for the same things a lot.
Same
a lot.
purses.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same purses, same cocktails, same
Clothes.
cookies, same clothes. Oh my God,
Well, we're
kind
gonna,
of scary.
I need to see you get a bite right there.
How
How is it? How is it?
It's really good.
Okay. Oh, come on now.
Yeah.
I'm not putting that in.
What are you laughing at?
How is that one?
Good, good.
We have sugar.
It's like a gingerbread cookie.
So you just got a close-up view of the butter cookie. What is it? The Cayucos.
It's a brown butter cookie company
There you have it.
in Cayucos.
Yeah.
I mean, we just finished having these great butter cookies. We're standing on the beach. What beach is this?
This is Cayucos. Shannon, riding with Yogurt, his wife, actually followed one of our vlogs, and they came up here, went up to Cambria, went to Avila Beach, just followed the whole route we took. They loved it. It was pretty awesome.
We've been up here before, but we've never really stood on the sand on this particular beach.
We've stood up there on the boardwalk looking down, but you're right, not on this beach. But kind of interesting. This was the first settlers were the Chumash Indians, and they think it was about 10,000 BC.
Wow.
I mean, think about the history of that, right? And then just north of here, we'll go by it. I don't know that we'll see it, but in 1987, PSA Airlines. Do you guys remember that old airline that they were cheap and they flew through California? They actually, some pilots went rogue and crashed a plane just up here on the hillside. So that's one of the notorious items.
Wait. They went rogue like they did it on purpose.
They were disgruntled with the airlines and they crashed the plane. They killed all 43 people and the whole crew.
I did not know that.
Yeah. No, crazy. But then in 2009, this town was named one of the greatest beach towns in the country.
I mean,
I didn't know that either.
Little beach
Really?
towns. Yeah.
I mean, it's a cool town. They got these really cool buildings and a
Yeah.
lot of stuff to do. There's like surf rental things over here, and
we've had
Great
dinner
cookies.
here.
They have a couple
Lots
good
of cookies.
restaurants here.
Yeah, we've had dinner here. I think we came with maybe Mike and Stacy and had some
Yeah.
drinks here.
Yeah.
what's that pier for? Just walking and fishing?
Yeah, I mean, I'm assuming that at some point, they had to bring some commerce in and they'd use that, but I don't know. We can study up on that one. But we could certainly fish off the end of it, for
And
sure.
off in the distance, we see the Morro Bay Rock.
Yeah, that's pretty cool over there. That's what we were saying. Justin did the triathlon up here. Swam in this bay down in Morro Bay, did the bike ride, and then ran on the beach. Pretty crazy.
And we all scarfed cookies. Did we have our allotment for dessert?
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh,
we did.
For the next 3 days.
We did, but we still will have dessert tonight too.
Yeah, for sure we will. Well, this is a cool beach, and
Yeah, well, we're only about 15 miles from Cambria.
What a tough day.
let's do it.
Let's go to Cambria and go. Hey, we're gonna see this new place that we usually stay at the Fogcatcher, but what's it called, Laura? Ocean Point?
Yeah.
Ocean Point. You and Lance had ridden by there or stopped in
We
there.
stopped and thought, oh, we'd like to stay there sometime with the kids. And
Yeah.
Then
And
when
maybe
you
we'll
said
do
it,
a
that
live
sounds
today.
good.
Who knows?
If we can.
See what
hey.
happens.
So all together now with our hands ready. We'll
See
see
you
you down
down
the
the
road.
Ocean Point Ranch. We got 3 rooms, beautiful spot, ocean's right there, Cambria. Boom, we're gonna do it.
what is that?
What do you think of this place?
I love it. I love it. It's great. What is this?
Where are we? We are at the Sea Chest restaurant, oyster bar.
Recommended by
Whoa, sea chest oyster bar.
Somebody recommended by somebody online. Sorry, that was way too close.
Oh, who told you that we should come here?
Your friend.
Oh, Ramsey. Ramsey told me to come here.
What a great day.
Awesome day.
Love riding up the coast. I love seeing that visual. I mean, always fun.
Well, and hey, we got the ladies back out, so they enjoyed it as well. I think they may have fallen asleep once or twice.
I think that happens.
On the bike. So that was pretty cool. But hey, if you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. If you're an existing subscriber, we really appreciate your support. What's happening?
Thank you. We do have a store.
We do.
We have a store. Do you know that?
What's the
Tell
name
them-
of the store?
Well, it's twolanelife.com, but tell them what
and
we
there
do.
you can get equipment, you can get parts. There's a really special place, the blog. You actually can see where we rode. You can see points of interest, places we ate, places we stayed. The map's embedded so you can follow along.
So if you need parts for your motorcycles, your rides, whatever you have, whether it's luggage for your bike, handlebars, we have it all. Check it out, really.
Yeah, and I can't wait for episode 2.
Oh.
It's going to be phenomenal as we head up the coast, up into Carmel. Gilbert's going to go crazy. He's going to see these coastal views, bridges. It's going to be epic.
Always is. But hey, subscribe to our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and tell your friends, and then what?
Yeah, ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Make a comment. We love comments. Yep.
Yes. And
Let's see them down the road. What do you
all
say?
right, let's do it.
See you down the road.